He's supposed to be like.
Oh, thank you. Uh-oh, Thicky, help.
Oh, wow.
Come on, put it right there.
Grayson, good job.
Thank you. Great, great.
Good job.
Go get some more. Oh, you're so helpful. Jill, you're not going to help?
When he big enough, come get him.
Oh, no. Oh,
Grayson, you have to watch for your phone.
Okay, that's Loon's fault too. That's Loon's fault. Look what in there.
Whoa.
no. No, I think you did that.
Whoa.
Good job, good, great. Go get some more.
Loon's fault.
It's okay.
I want stick.
Here, come on. There you go, baby boy. Take it, take it.
Thank you, Grayson. Jill, you only... Ow. Ai, cái đây. Ow. Grayson, put it in there. Wow. Thank you, Grayson.
Mom,
Look at you over here.
Good job, good job, buddy.
Thank you, Grayson.
Drew, he's playing the drums. He's playing the drums over there.
You ready? Look, about to start fire. The song. The hoop. You're so curious, huh? Good. Wow. What is that, Grayson? What's that?
Man,
What's that?
one day is like super hot, one day is cold, and then it's cool, and it's hail,
And it's
dry.
May. I know. Wow, Grayson.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, Grayson. You have to start a fire.
Wow. What's that, Grayson? Fire.
Now you can't get too close, big boy.
Maybe you should put your chair over here, Greg.
Are you hot?
H-O-T, hot.
Hot. Flame.
Hot.
Flame.
Fire's hot.
Good, whatever, do something. Ain't more than that.
มันเห็นอายมันเห็น smoking
He likes it.
Mommy might.
เข้าตาแล้วว่า Gregory what happened
There's smoke. He needs to get away from that side.
Gregory you too close
Stay back. This is
Wow.
this is
Oh.
one man job.
Wow.
One man
Thank
job.
you Juju
Let's go for the.
We're good now, baby.
oh
Don't
you
put
got
any
a
more
big
in,
one a
okay?
big one
Throw it in there. We ain't done yet. We wouldn't be able to burn the thing. We got more fire love. You gotta be able to put the oak in there.
fire
Oh, so many words.
Fire.
Grayson. Look, Grayson. Candy. 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 See?
you see it Grayson
Candy.
oh, that's
Oh, you already
Eminem
have two in your hand.
Eat the one in
You
your
have
hand.
two.
that's Eminem put it in your mouth baby
Why didn't y'all
You
turn
have
off
two
the-
in your hand already.
why didn't
Either
y'all
one
turn
you
off the
have.
light?
oh you just noticed I can't see that's why
That's the whole point of the campfire.
I know you could turn it off I'm here
You can be just like Finley, but he don't like any kind of junk food when he's younger. Now he like all nothing but junk.
Yum.
You got a little brush?
Yeah,
Barbecue brush.
I think he knows where it's at. The other thing I like to do is
Blind you?
is
I
sit.
was not.
I'm just kidding. I know you're not.
You kind of soak that, no?
Yeah, you can put it on.
What in the world is
I don't want it to burn a
that?
little bit.
Yeah, ain't got
What
no
in the
burn.
world is
Let the
that?
rice burn a little bit.
What is that?
น้ำมันแข็งเลยใส่เลือดนี่ให้มันสกเข้าไปทางใน
Grayson, look, you got your two sets of parents. You excited?
Oh, he hanging out with Gray?
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh, I spill eggs everywhere.
We still have one that likes us. Yep.
All right.
And there's a lot of things that you don't know if it happened for real, if it was a dream.
Lưng making a sunrise
Nee, look
See
at
that
this
thing that
man.
I sent you? You might not be able to see. They might, I'll show you. We have that stuff like they can't even see
that-
because it's
put
such
that
a big
in. There
swarm.
you
You
go.
can't even see.
Oh, I'll be ready.
It's like a storm.
I'll be ready for that if that's the case.
Like I'm not gonna drive in a cicada storm.
I am. I'll drive over there to catch all of it. Yeah, but I didn't know if
He
you just
doesn't still eat it, but he would if he could.
Oh, he's so cute.
hit Joe self with it. You ever had
He's so
Joe
cute.
Mengchip Chan or Joe Mengchinoon?
Yeah.
Man, that thing is like
No, I hadn't had any since
it's a different,
since I came to United States.
it's
Or
a different type of noir.
You wouldn't allow
Afraid, unafraid.
Hey, you know, I thought
Catch you hurt, no matter how you feel.
I thought women can stand pain more, but last time to give shot, women freak you out. They're all scared.